What's up guys, it's Spider, and today I had no idea what I was going to make a video, so I decided to just make a video about why you guys should probably expect in the morning. I mean in the future. I'm going to start with doing videos. Yeah, videos like, yeah, you know that kind of videos, like the challenges, Q&A. I don't really know about them Q&As, but we'll see. Maybe I'll do a Q&A, but mostly I'm excited to do the oh my god, why do I keep on saying like the more challenges, like chip challenge, the hot spicy noodles challenge, something like that. And also I'm gonna be reacting to a lot of anime because I love anime. And yeah, so you guys can give me like an idea of what anime I should watch, and I will probably watch it. And I will probably watch it and react to it. And like right now I'm doing, I'm doing Black Clover. Black Clover is amazing. Yeah, and I know I haven't been really keeping up to Black Clover. Yeah, I know. So I'm gonna start doing animes, reactions, not just animes. I'm not just gonna react to animes. I'm gonna do try not to laugh challenges. I'm gonna react to weird stuff, vines, yeah. But most of the reactions I'm going to do is anime. Yeah. You guys could tell me, hey man, or hey the Spy Gamer, you can do this, and I'm like, maybe I'll see if I can play that game or react to it or do that challenge. I'll see, and if I can, I will probably do it. And like, you see that literally I will take almost about any advice you guys send me, because right now I have no idea. That's why I have not been uploading. Like really, I have like no idea what to make for YouTube. Literally, like, bro, every single time I'm like, okay, today I'm gonna record. What should I upload? Oh my god, I'm sorry guys, I cannot record. That's what take me like months to record, or even weeks. I mean weeks or even months to record, you see. So guys, just give me the ideas. You can make the ideas below down the comments. Yeah, down the comments. Down the comments are very good. So yeah, I think we got that out of the way. And also guys, if you want me to make an intro for you, just tell me, man. You don't have to make it yourself. I showed you the 40 subscribers how to make your own intro. But if you want me to make an intro for you, I can choose a nice intro, and you can tell me your username, and I'll be like, oh wow, so you want that intro. And I'm like, and I'm gonna be like, what color and stuff, and I'm gonna find that intro for you. And bam, I'm gonna be like, bam, son, this is intro for that, that's intro for that. So guys, I'm gonna put some background music into this. Oh yeah guys, and I'm also gonna tell you why I used to record. I mean, the thing is like right here. Like here is it says Scream Automatic. Well, I already did. And also, yeah, and also it's down, link below, Scream Automatic. So you don't really have to check anything, but I'm gonna tell you how to use Scream Automatic. Like Scream Automatic is really good. Like it's really good. I can put the face cam. I could just do a face cam now. You can use Scream Automatic on your phone and the PC or your laptop. Well, laptop PC I can use it. I know it's just good. I use the free version. There's a free version and there's the paid version. If you want to use the free version is what I always use to record, because the free version is free. Duh, I ain't gonna pay any money. Yeah, the free version is like, oh wow man, I'm free, come and get me, yeah. And then the paid version is like about $5 a month, $5 or $10 a month. And the paid version, you can actually edit your videos. Yeah, I don't really edit my videos. That's why sometimes the voice or the auto, because I ain't got time for edits. If I edit my videos, I'm gonna spend an hour. And since school just opened up, I ain't got time, have homework and stuff. So yeah. And also guys, I'm not going to be doing daily videos, because daily videos, nah man, like nope, ain't gonna do it. Ain't gonna do it in daily videos, like daily videos. Okay guys, sorry about that, I'm back. Yeah, like so like the daily videos, yeah, I won't be doing it because I have school and stuff. But I think I'll be probably by doing like videos on Mondays. I mean on this Monday and this Tuesday. Cause come on, no school, boy, no school. So yeah, I'll be probably doing that. Yeah. So guys, you guys should really tell me about what comments you like. I mean, what challenges you like. Or I'm probably gonna start off with like the food challenge or something like that. Yeah. I cannot do it with my sister because she don't want to, and my other sister will definitely say no. So yeah, I can do it with anybody. So the challenges will be just basically me alone. Yeah, it will just be basically me doing the challenges alone or by myself. My sisters won't do it. I mean, my sisters will not be doing the challenges with me, because they just don't like being YouTube, you know? Yeah, but I'll see if I can get them to. So yeah, and just for you to know, if you are wondering, did I already play this game? Did I already play this game and now talking? Actually, no. Oh, hi man. Say hi to YouTube. Say hi to YouTube. I'm making a vid. Say hi to YouTube. Where did he go? And either way, he's still on YouTube. So yeah. So yeah guys, so that's basically it for what I will be doing, or mostly be doing. And I have Twitter. I have no idea why a kid like me will have Twitter. Like literally, I'm just a kid, boy. Why would I have Twitter? But I will be I'll be starting to post things on Twitter. Oh yeah, and I will also be playing games, apps on my phones. And I will mostly be recording on my phone, because I don't know why though. So guys, what I want to say is bye guys. What I want to say is this is what you will probably see me doing in the near future. So guys, I'm gonna end the video off here. Yeah, I'm gonna end the video off here. So guys, make sure to like, subscribe, give a big thumbs up. Hold up. Like, subscribe, give a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to leave comments down below to give me about what video should I make for this channel, because I'm running out of ideas, man. It's so hard. If you guys are a YouTuber, you guys will understand me. It's hard to record, like especially them YouTubers that do daily basics. It's so hard because they gotta record every single day, and most of them also edit. That's why they can only make like one video a day, you know, like only one video a day. Oh my god, and they have to edit it, make it look amazing and stuff. I cannot do that cause I have to go, yeah, you know. So yeah, so guys, make sure to like, subscribe, give a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.